think that's for me. This is the last train of this epic journey. It's called the Old Patagonian Express. But they reckon it was the ultimate in style and elegance in the old days of the great Argentinian railways. I think it will be. Look at this. The Old Patagonian Express is known locally as La Trochita, or Little Gauge. It was one of the last lines to be built in the glory days of Argentine railways. And it's still pretty glorious. Today we're travelling just 10 miles of La Trochita's original route to Esquel. This is a really strange part of Argentina. Thousands of immigrants came to the whole country from Spain and from Italy. But here, there were hundreds and hundreds of people who came from Wales. The Welsh settlers arrived here in the Chubut Valley in 1865, determined to set up a Welsh colony that preserved their language, traditions and way of life. Conditions were a lot harder than expected. But rather than go to war with the locals, they worked together and learned how to survive. This is a nice old picture. He apparently is Welsh. She's very obviously a Mapuche Indian with a little Mapuche baby. But they're both drinking mate. So it's like we're both from very different cultures, but we're now very much part of Patagonia. The Welsh Patagonians blossomed, but for decades they were completely cut off from the outside world. Construction of the narrow gauge line finally began after World War I, but wasn't completed until 1945. Since the 1970s, it's been fighting for its survival. But it's still steam-powered and remains one of the great, iconic railways of the world.